Hey, right guys, what a muggy day today. I've not done anything yet and it's dripping off me. That's because I'm such a picture of fitness and health. Anyway, I'm going to stick a few shots up now. We did a harvest last week with the Gremlins, if you remember, tromboncino, onions, etc. And they've cooked it all. And they sent a little message to me, guess what we've cooked? And I had to guess, and I'll show you what my guesses were, and I'll show you what they cooked with a few slides, few stills, and then I'll get on to what I've come up here for, which is I want to lift my Kondors and I want to grab some general potatoes, especially for my Sunday roast tomorrow. So I think the best thing to do is for me to get everything in position and start filming a potato reveal. Have you noticed, I don't know, let's go back say 2-3 years, potato reveals were like every other video on YouTube, and now they're so few and far between, no one's doing them. Perhaps I'm going to buck the trend and start the trend off again. Anyway, let's get on with it. Okay then, so like I said, I got a message saying guess what we're making with the harvest from last week. So putting my Diggy Detective head on. What can I see there? We got a soup maker, Pyrex jug, forks, a stock cube, pestle and mortar. So my first guess would be a soup. Then we got the tromboncino, onion and garlic. Yeah, that'd go in a soup. Grater. We got an egg. Looks like flour and something in the purple bowl, but I can't work that out. And we got a measuring cup as well. Food mixer with various attachments. Couple of knife spatula, a chopping board. So I guessed, well, I think the soup's a certainty. Something dipped in the flour and the egg, so maybe like fries, and maybe like a pate type thing. Not sure what the food mixer's for though. Well, we'll see. Here we go. Now these photos were sent after my guesses, so we got Kyra peeling, Rowan grating, Rowan making, yeah, that's the soup mix. Olivia's chopping. Gotta love Rowan's hairstyle there. And that's the soup making. Olivia's doing some garlic. That's definitely garlic. And Kyra is slicing. I'm still none the wiser. And here's the end results. We have a tromboncino loaf. Just like a sweet type bread, vegetable loaf. Tromboncino crisps. And tromboncino soup. Hey, I got one right. Aren't they good? They're great at gardening, great at cooking as well. What more can you want? Little diggies, eh? Look at this. Under the rim of the blooming bucket, look. Sneaky little so-and-sos. Right, yeah, this is a Kondor, even though it says Casablanca on the bucket. It's because I planted it late. I'm not expecting an awful lot. All I want to do with these. Okay, I'm not expecting an awful lot from these. This was just a single eye planted in some old compost. Like I say, just to increase my stock. So, in fact, I probably haven't got anything at all. These two little tiddlers here. Oh. Yep, nothing in that lot. Here's the next one. Oh, that's better. And there's nothing else in there, there's no point. I know there's nothing else because I surface planted these, so the roots would have all been at the top. Right, last one of these. Yeah, nothing there. Anyway, that's okay. Now we've got a 50-litre bucket to do. And that was a big spud with about 12 eyes on it. So let's go and get that one. Be heavy, that is. I can use the wheelbarrow, I suppose. That's better luck. Right, Tip this one out. Slugs everywhere. Yuck. See, look, again, hiding in the rim of the bucket. Sneaky little... Right, here we go then. A lot of ants again. They like potatoes, don't they, ants? Perhaps on a carb diet this year. Ooh. I got a bite on my arm the other day when I was doing it. God, it affects me for 3 days, like, you know. Well, that's it, guys. That is it. Oh, dear me. Well, like I said, the object of the exercise was to increase my stock. And from 1 potato and 2 eyes, I've got that many. So now I'm not going to pick any more potatoes up here because I'm going to grab a few of the SSPCs at home, let me hands, and use those. Okay, then back home now. SSP spuds are down here, so I'll turn you down and dig a few up, or pull a few up. I'm only going to take as many as I need today, but I'll add the weight to the grand total at the end, so here we go. Right, let's get the cat prevention methods out the way. And they all count, so... Oh, look at that. Oh, it loves me. There's some nice ones here. Oh, crikey, there's quite a few as well. I'm going to have to go and get my trowel for the proper reveal. Look, I mean, we've had all that rain, look. I mean, rain, and it's still just damp. Great. Whew. You know something, guys, I reckon that's enough for a stew. Oh, yes. That, I mean, that is... Yeah. No, it's all right, actually. Sorry. Right, that'll do. Stop, Steve, stop. Let's take that one before he gets any greener. Right, like I said, I mean, people have been saying these are good spuds, but God, I can't fault them. They're fantastic. I can't wait to tell you what variety they are in end of October. Well, only a quick one today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I've got plenty of things to be getting on with. First thing, make a stew. Take care of yourselves. Catch you on the next video.